Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have admin rights and a backup ready. Open Settings System Storage to see where space is used. Once done, close heavy apps and use Task Manager to identify large processes so they don't block file operations. Then run Storage Sense or Disk Cleanup for a fast reclaim. Delete temporary files, system cache, and previous Windows installs, because these free space immediately and reduce fragmentation for smoother operations. Now you move into deeper steps. Use Storage Breakdown or a folder size tool to spot massive folders like downloads, videos, or app data. Once done, run Disk Cleanup as administrator and select System Files to remove old update packages and shadow copies. Next, hunt large files in File Explorer with size filters or use third-party cleaners cautiously. Make sure to empty Recycle Bin and clear browser caches. These actions recover significant gigabytes and speed up future. Finish by emptying the Recycle Bin and restarting Windows so metadata updates and space counts refresh. If you need more room, disable hibernation to remove Hyperfill. Sys, but only if you don't use fast startup or hibernate. Also trim restore points if appropriate. If something goes wrong, files won't delete or space misreports. Run chkdsk on the drive and sfc/scano to repair system files. These fix corruption that can mislead storage tools and restore accurate free space reporting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.